Murphy Foundation came about over the summer, but it's been the vision of Coach Murphy for quite a while now. And when we used to work together at Eastern, we talked about all the time about his willingness and desire to come back to Detroit and give back, specifically to the Bagley community, because this is where he grew up. And instead of coming in and trying to do a lot of things in a lot of different places, we wanted to take a smaller footprint, be impactful in that footprint for a more sustained period of time, and meet the individual needs of the areas of the organizations that we were working with.
I know I didn't have nothing like this when I was growing up. Nobody just came back to give back to my community. So knowing that I could do something positive in somebody's life is a great thing. It was amazing seeing the look on their face when they first saw us. It was like, wow, they're so tall. So just a great experience for us and little kids.
You had the opportunity to go back where you're from, me being from Detroit, me being from this community, you always think back to the challenges you had, and you always try to figure out how can you give back. I think for me it's been really touching today being here at Bagley, seeing students that I taught 18, 19 years ago here, and they're grown and they have kids growing up in this Bagley community and they're attending Bagley. So it means I'm getting a little older, but for the most part it's always good to see the community and the folks you're giving back to, and they're thankful, they're appreciative, and I'm appreciative of what was done for me as I was growing up, and I'm still appreciative of the chair I sit in, and if I can give back, you know, I would love to, so I'm gonna continue to do so.